Hi, this is Paul Nocode, and I'm gonna show you a few things today. And it's gonna be tools to market your no-code app and get customers first. I know you would normally see me create tutorials on how to build stuff with no-code, but I think marketing is something else too. Because if you build stuff, you really have to market it. If you don't market it, there's no way you're gonna find customers who buy your product. So that's why I want to show you tools that you can use to market your no-code app and get customers really fast. So first on my list is a free tool, and this free tool it's called Google Analytics. I know you've heard about Google Analytics so much, like for a very long time, but really, if you really want to market your stuff, you see have to make decision based on feedbacks. Make decision based on user feedback. And if you're making a decision based on user feedback, there's a very huge chance that you're going to be making the right decision. But if you're making a decision just because you think you want to make that decision, it's not going to be great. So on your application, most platforms like Bubble, Adalo, Bubble, flutterflow will allow you to insert this measurement ID, the one you're seeing right here, on your application. And when you insert it, you're able to figure out what users are doing on your application minute by minute, day by day, where they're coming from, where they're going, and how they're using your application. And a good thing is that you can also get this some analytics on the App Store, on your Google, developer page. You can also get this some analytics. But I think you would also want to combine it with this so you can see everything that is happening in your mobile application. This also works for web applications too, if you want to. So next on my list is a paid tool, and this is from Product Hunt. Product Hunt has this product called Ship. I guess you know what Product Hunt is. It's a place where almost everybody go to launch their product, new product, old product, relaunch new product. So they have this product called Ship. And what Ship does is that it enables you to create very beautiful landing page if you do not have any before. Very beautiful landing page. You can create it on Ship. And secondly, you can also, embed widgets. You can embed widgets like questionnaire, testimonials, something that you can just really use to get people's attention on your website. It's something that you can use, that you can build via this particular tool. And also you can actually embed email forms. Yeah, you can embed email forms in your landing page within seconds. And one of the things that I like about Sheep is that you can actually talk to your customers. There is nothing beats your ability to talk to your customers. Nothing can beat it. So you can talk to your customers directly. You can talk to them in group. You can even run surveys. Every business will actually survive if they are able to get feedback from their customers and implement those feedbacks. So what you're doing, what Sheep is helping you to do, is to grow your business. Grow your business with analytics, grow it with testing, and grow it with your ability to communicate with your customers. So I'd say that you use Sheep to create landing pages, talk to your customers, launch your mobile app, and then you can always use it to keep talking to your customers over and over again. As someone who's building a no-code app, you might not really have a lot of marketing skills, but using such a tool like this will really help you to scale your no-code application as fast as possible. That's number 2. Next on my list is data AI. Data AI can be a little bit complicated. But mostly it enables you to make decisions using data. If you know that your customers are behaving in a particular way, then you really want to give them a product that does what. So if your customers are making certain decisions in your application, if they are making certain, if they are giving you certain feedback via this analytic tool, you can actually get a complete overview of everything that is happening in your application. A very, a super complete overview of everything that's happening in your application. You can actually do this. with data AI. So it's super intelligent. You can see the graph on the website. It can actually show you active subscribers, drop off, active sign up. It can show you a whole lot of things. All you have to do is to connect it. So it's just like two plugs, like putting two plugs together. All you have to do is to connect these two plugs, which is your website and data AI, and you'll be able to get all this, all this information for free. So that's number 3. Number 4 on my list is branch. Branch, yeah, it's I would like if you combine Google Analytics and branch, because it's super affordable. Branch is really affordable and it's cheap. You can start without paying a dime. When you get started. You don't want to pay so much money for a lot of tools. And one of the things that branch enables you to do is to add deep linking to your mobile application. Deep links. So deep links are like stuff that can follow your customers everywhere. There are stuff that can follow your customers everywhere. So for example, if someone is sharing your application on Instagram, they could actually click on that link and if they've downloaded the application, it opens it on their mobile app. If they've not downloaded it, it takes them to the Play Store, and it's super cool. And you can also create branded links. Yeah, if you can create branded links, you can create links to SMS, QR code, social media, and a whole lot more. But this might not be a tool that you need a whole lot. This might not be a tool that you need a whole lot if you're using a tool like flutterflow. So flutterflow enables you to have deep links. So flutterflow has an internal deep link that you can get on flutterflow, and it also allows you to use the Google deep links that you find on Firebase. So this might not be a tool that you want to use if you're building on flutterflow, but if you're building on other platforms like Adalo, Turntable, and a few others, then this is what you're going to enjoy using. And last on the list is App Radar. So App Radar, marketing, everything is about measuring. So most of the tools that you have, what they're doing is that they are measuring. But this particular tool enables you to optimize your mobile application on the Play Store. That's what it enables you to do. Optimize your mobile application on the Play Store and increase your user acquisition. That's what it enables you to do. So when you connect your app to App Radar, it gives you all these analytics, like how many impressions your app is making when it's searched for, what's the conversion. So if 20 persons search for your applications, how many persons will end up downloading that same application? How many clicks? What's the cost of putting your app on the Play Store? What's the average cost per customer? What's your return on investment? That's basically what you're looking for. So App Radar has two things. So if you're somebody who want to experiment things by his or herself, then you want to go with the tool itself. But if you're someone who wants to be like, hey, I need somebody to market my application, but I think you want to go with their marketing service. Do not know how expensive it is because I've not really used it before, but I'm pretty sure, a team that can build such a robust tool, I'm pretty sure they will be offering, cool service that you can actually use every time. So those are my 5 tools, but there are other basic tools that will always work. There are other basic things that will always work, which I'm going to share I'm going to share on other videos. I think one of those is just really sharing. When you're creating your mobile application, one of the best way to market it is just sharing, like sharing your updates, sharing your status, and sharing what you're currently doing. You can start sharing on Twitter if you want to. You can share on Instagram if you want to. But the good thing is just keep sharing. When you share a lot, there's a very high chance that you're going to get people convert. You're going to get some of those persons who listen to you use your mobile application. So that's it for me today. No coding tutorial today, no code tutorial today, just showing you best way to market your product, best tool to use when you're marketing your product. So go ahead and try this tool, leave your comment below, let me know what you think about these tools, and if you are on this channel for the very first time, go ahead and click on the subscription button. Maybe that's the way to say thank you, and besides, it's good for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be shown to other persons who really want to market their mobile application. Once again, thank you for watching. If you have questions, leave it in the comment section. If you're looking forward to building your mobile application with no code, feel free to reach out to me and we'll just talk. Thank you. Enjoy.